Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and simplest way to set up your Aervy Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This quick process only takes a few minutes and is compatible with most routers. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Start by unpacking your Aervy Wi-Fi extender from the box. Inside, you'll find the main extender unit, a helpful quick start guide to assist with setup, and a power adapter. Make sure all components are present before moving on to the next steps. Start by plugging your Aervy Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED on the extender to light up solid, indicating that it's ready for setup. If the LED doesn't turn on, double-check to make sure the extender is securely plugged in. Next, find the WPS button on your router. Press and hold the button for a few seconds until the WPS LED begins blinking. This signals that the router is now in pairing mode and ready to connect with another device using WPS. Now, within 2 minutes of activating WPS on your router, press the WPS button on your Aervy Wi-Fi extender. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking, indicating it's attempting to connect to the router. When the LED turns solid, the connection is successful. After connecting, unplug the extender and move it to a location where the Wi-Fi signal is weak, but still within range of your main router. Use the signal strength indicator on the extender, if available, to find the optimal spot. Plug it in and wait for the LED to stabilize. Once the extender is placed, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. This network may have the same name as your main network or include a suffix like _ext. Use your regular Wi-Fi password to connect. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Aervy Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. Enjoy extended Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.